Hello, my name is Vit Lichtenstein. I'm one of the co-founders of mypaperwork.ai, and also I'm responsible for product. I will guide you through our first product, which is meant for 80,000 Ukrainians who are displaced in Austria because of the war in Ukraine and would like to stay and work in Austria for the long term. You simply go to our platform and then log in with either your own credentials or Google. So I will connect with Google account, and here you will see immediately our main page. On the left side you also see the digital avatar Anna, which we created, and she actually guides through our platform in Ukrainian language. You can actually easily adjust her also in any other language if you want, and also I would like you to pay attention to this interactive aspect because there will be some highlighting and also clicking for the people to get to use the platform. So I will now play Anna. Anybody who's logging into our platform will see her.
Привіт! Я Анна, і я з радістю покажу тобі, як користуватись mypaperwork. Я теж з України, і тепер допомагаю іншим українцям подаватися на посвідку на проживання в Австрії без стресу та плутанини. На бічній панелі ви можете навігувати по всій платформі. Я проведу тебе через 4 основні розділи процесу подачі заявки. Особисті документи, робота і страхування, доходи та заощадження, мова та інтеграція. Просто натисніть на особисті документи, щоб дослідити далі.
And now Anna asks you to click on the personal documents in order to start basically the application. So I will just show you what you can see in the main side. She was talking about the sidebar, which will be guide you through the milestones, so you are decreasing the uncertainty what you need to do and when. Also, you can purchase additional services, for example, translation. You are always having a support here. And this is a real person you can communicate with. There also are partners which are working with us, and then section of the documents where you can download then the filled application. Here is a call for the subscription, but I will now go to the personal documents. So here in the section, I will just move the recording here. In the header you see the different sections, personal documents, work and insurance, etc. And also you can choose if you are single or family. Then the flow is also changing, adjusting. What you need to do as a user is simply take the document which you need to upload and drag and drop it, and that's it. You can also then immediately see the document because this eye will open. We have a human in the loop, and also there is an AI which is verifying the document, but the human is always then at the moment confirming yes, this is a verified document, and then you see this green tick there. All the documents which you need to upload, so it's really easy for you to track within the so many documents what you need to do. If you have any questions, you can ask Anna, which is always there, or you can click on learn more, and then also you have a text explaining why you need to upload these documents. Once you are uploading all the documents, you will find automatically in the finished your application and including the next steps what you need to do, or that you can also actually ask somebody to do this for you, to bring the application for you if you wish. In the milestones you see your progress. So as you can see, personal documents are secured. This is in progress, so this didn't finish. So you can easily track where you are. In the services, you can also use our premium services like translation. And if you are our subscriber, you are getting additional services to your subscription like registration, year of address, get your police clearance certification, etc. The support function is always here. You can text with Benjamin or with Vit if you wish, or you can go through the knowledge articles if you would like to study yourself. The partners which we have there, so you can get familiar with whom we work, and the documents where you find all your application and documents filled. So this is our product, mypaperwork.ai. It's very easily to scale for other different flows, and we are working on other international flows right now. Thank you for checking out my paperwork, and go and log in now.